wind's good, so when we get round, we'll be facing into the wind and hopefully that'll do some luck. Fallow just over the ridge here, down in the bottom, and a lot of them are looking up. We're just going to sneak down this corner and just try and get bottom side of the wind.
Yeah.
And on a different angle to them that they're sort of looking at.
Yeah.
Hopefully it works to plan. So we had a group of fallow deer there, and it's a bit tricky really because you just could not see a backstop behind them. And then the only one that presented itself was a young yearling. As a matter of fact, it was right up against a tree, so that was the backstop.
So you can kind of engineer a backstop.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because there's footpaths and various things going on in this wood, so you just got to have your wits about you every second, and that's where the thermals come in again. You know. There were several in there, like I say, but that was the only one. You probably even see the bullet on the back of the tree.
Yeah.
That was available to sort of safely take, so yeah, good job done.
You get the safe backstop however you get it.
Yeah, well that's right, yeah, exactly, yeah. As worse as you're going to get rain-wise, but yeah, we've still done a job anyway, so that's good.